Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best multifunction blender available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Blender. Crushes ice with ease. Patented ice saber blades, combined with a powerful 700-watt peak power motor, crushes contents quickly for smooth, icy drinks. Smooth results. Ordinary blenders spin contents around the walls of the jar, which can leave whole chunks untouched by the blades. But our patented wave action system is designed to continually force the mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results without stirring. Heat-resistant glass jar. The 40-ounce glass jar is thermal shock tested to withstand extreme temperature changes. It is perfect for parties or making a pitcher of shakes and smoothies that the whole family can enjoy. Mix, puree, ice crush, and more with drip-free serving. 14 blending functions, handles a variety of blending needs. Plus enjoy no-mess serving with an easy pour spout designed to eliminate drips. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Blender. 4-tip quad-pro blade technology. The 4-tip stainless steel blending blade works with the shape of the jar to create a constant flow and vortex that leads ingredients directly to the blades for fast blending performance. 4 speeds. From smooth blending to powerful ice crushing, the 4-speed functions can handle any job with ease, from creamy smoothies to icy drinks and more. 6-cup perfect per glass jar. The thick, sturdy glass jar has a classic feel with advanced performance, and the spout is molded for easy pouring. Dishwasher-safe removable parts. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe jar, blade, and lid. 700-watt motor. The energetic motor delivers 700-watt peak performance asterisk to easily crush and blend an array of ingredients. For continuous use, the blender uses 350 of power. Number 3. NutriBullet Blender. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries, and spinach. Then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body in seconds. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Hassle-free cleaning: simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. Essential design: simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. Yes, it's that easy. Cleans like a dream. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. That's all without the hassle. Number 2. Oster Blender. This Oster blender and food processor features 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for common blender creations like smoothies and shakes, plus pulse for precise blending control. Features an 8-cup, BPA-free Triton plastic dishwasher-safe jar. Triton plastic is known for its clarity, durability, safety, and style. Extra wide 3.5 jar allows ingredients to reach the blade easier for faster and smoother results. Includes a 5-cup food processor with slicing and shredding blades. The food chopper makes salsa, guacamole, or your favorite dip with ease. Dual direction blade technology for extra blending power to chop and grind with precision, plus 1200 power watts of ice crushing power. Number 1. Ninja Blender. Powerful motor base. 1000 watts of professional performance power. Excel blending capacity. The 72 Oz pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family. 64 Oz max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology. Delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Professional versatility. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies. Recipe inspiration. Included 10 recipe guide provides drink making inspiration. Easy to clean, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.